Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Libra. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Of course, hindi ko makukuha lahat ng energy ng Libra sa mundo. Kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel natin, pahit na lang ng subscription button at yung notification bell. And, yan. Pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba, guys. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Nagpapakita ng malaking suporta. So, start na natin ang reading. This is for the sign of Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. You over the Lovers and the Judication. Ito yung main energy mo. Expectation and High Honor. And main male and courtship. I feel like there's a relationship or a connection na parang ang dami mong tanong dito eh. Yeah. Nakakaramdam ako ng ex-feeling, like ex-wife, ex-husband, or ex-boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever. But it feels like parang part of you is kahit itanggi mo, no? Na parang sabihin mo, hindi na, nag-focus na ako dito sa new person, ganito, ganyan, with the courtship and the main male, this could be a new person. But with the high honor, yan. Although nandito na yung yung pag-iisip mo, some of you questionable pa rin si past eh. Like you have a lot of questions and maybe you want this person na parang na parang at least man lang no, say sorry or do something, 'di ba? So although sabihin na natin may may person or mga person na nakikipag-connect sa'yo, si past, parang may pa rin, may something pa rin, no, na part of you nag-expect pa rin. And, yung iba itinatanggi or ayaw, ganon. Pero, yun nga, nakakita pa rin tayo ng expectation mula sa'yo. Kasi, kung hindi ka nag-expect, actually, hindi mo na talaga iisipin eh. Pero may mga times, naiisip mo pa rin. Some of you kasi may children na involved. So, gusto mong mapag-usapan or maging ayusin naman niya, di ba? Lalo na kung may mga children na involved dito. Like, kahit sa mga bata na lang. Yeah, I can really see the word children. So, nakakita talaga tayo ng mga children na involved sa connection nito. Now, anyway, sino to person na connect mo? For the sign of Libra. Person na connect mo for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Courtship is here. Great fortune. Yan. And despair. Okay. So, wait lang guys. Inom lang ako. False person, imprisonment, privileged lady. Privileged lady, this is showing to me as a friend or a person in your group. No. Could be a friend, katrabaho, or this person with the imprisonment, nakikita natin hindi siya nagiging honest sa'yo. Okay. Hindi siya nagiging honest sa'yo sa mga pinagsasabi niya. So, pwedeng may communication kayo, may pagkikita, but I can see messages, lalo na dito, we do have your message. So, itong person na ito, hindi siya nagiging honest with regards sa emotions niya. With a great fortune, I feel like, pwedeng pinapalabas na person na ito na, pera lang, or career lang, or what. But with a courtship, I feel like, this person, gusto niya talagang, magkaroon ng ng Like, kung pwede lang kita i-flirt ngayon, parang ganun. I want to flirt with you. Yun yung energy. And with the despair, I feel like masakit para sa kanya kasi hindi nga niya mailabas kung ano yung gusto niyang gawain, kung anong gusto niya sabihin, hindi kanya ma-flirt, etc. And anyway, hindi ko alam kung makaka-relate ka ha. Pwede kang hindi makarelate at all. Kasi hindi naman talaga to personal reading. Ano yung nasa isip mo or emotions mo with regards to this connection? Ayan, pagpasensyahan mo na yung card ko. Isa to sa favorite card ko kasi magaganda yung image niya actually. Pero, at saka I like the feeling, no, yung pinaka card. Ang ayoko lang is may isa dito na nasira siya dahil na-fold, no, hindi ko napansin or hindi ko alam kung saan siya na-fold. But anyway, pinagtsatsagaan ko siya. So, pagpasensyahan mo na lang yung aking pagsha-shuffle. Okay, Two of Coins, the Empress, and the Knight of Coins is here. Isa pang card na lumabas is the King of Swords. I don't know if you're dealing with the Virgo. Kasi yung energy is like a Virgo eh. Especially there's this Two of Coins and the Knight of Coins. Or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay lang kahit hindi. Pero ang nakukuha natin dito is you're focusing on yourself. More on physical itsura mo. Yan. Maybe you're trying to focus sa pagpapaayos, pagpapaganda. I can see the planet Venus. So, Venus is planet of love and beauty, di ba? So, maybe nag-focus ka talaga doon, no? And you like attracting people in your life. And alam mo na mas ma-attract mo sila kung magsisimula ka sa sarili mo na maging creative, maging mas maayos, maging mas maganda. Pagdating sa career, ganun din. So, maybe may mga ginagawa kang creativity or arts or something with regards to your career para ma-attract mo yung mga gusto mong ma-attract. And I can see with the Two of Coins, yeah, you do have a lot of priorities. The Knight of Coins, more on money and career ang focus mo. Ace of Coins, something to do with new beginning. Yung iba sa inyo may mga inaaral or something na ginagawa para mas mag-improve yung mga hindi nag-i-improve sa buhay mo. Or, yung iba naman, maybe may mga bagay na natapos or gusto mong matapos sa buhay mo. So, nagko-concentrate ka muna sa sarili mo hanggat hindi mo pa natatapos itong bagay na ito or hanggat hindi pa natatapos itong bagay na ito. So, anyway, ano yung main and yung emotion and nasa isipan naman itong person na nakuha na natin ng energy. Anong isip niya at emotions niya towards you? You do over the Ten of Swords. Okay. So, nabanggit ko naman talaga kanina, talaga nasasaktan tong taong to. With the Ten of Coins, Ten of Swords and the Eight of Wands. And the Queen of Coins is also here. I feel like may mga family or children na involved dito. So, isa pa ito. I feel like with the Queen of Wands, yeah, this person, the Three of Swords, this could be another person energy, another relationship, another connection na isa pa sa nagiging dahilan kung bakit nahihirapan or nasasaktan itong person na ito. Okay? Like, gusto niya talagang gumawa ng movement, pero paano? Parang ganun. Yun yung pinaka-question, paano? So, what will happen in the future for the both of you? For the sign of Libra. Three of Wands, the Hanged Man, and the Three of Coins. Clarify the Hanged Man. The Moon is here and the Magician. Tatlong major arcana. Actually, the bottom of the deck is also a major arcana. Ayan. Nakita ko ng growth sa'yo. Financial growth meron din. Financial growth. I can see you na ikaw ang maglalagay sa sarili mo sa kung ano yung gusto mong paglagyan. Kung saan ka, you know, I can see movement mula sa'yo. With the Hanged Man, I feel like natutunan mong i-appreciate kung ano yung mga meron ka, talento na meron ka, and I feel like you are trying to improve this with the Magician. This is you improving your skills, your talents, and also kung ano yung mga mailalagay mo sa table, I can see na medyo magiging mas makulay, magiging maganda. What do I mean by this? If you're bringing food to the table, no? For example, ikaw ang breadwinner or ikaw yung sabihin na natin nagdadala, no, ng mga pangangailangan sa bahay, nakikita natin na magiging mas makolor, mas magiging maganda. So, may increase nga kasi lalo na with the Three of Coins, may improvements. And with the Moon, yeah, spiritual, I do like your energy kasi in the future, there's spiritual development then sa'yo. Especially, sa astrology, if you are Libra rising, ayan, you are focusing sa, higher education, yung iba, and yung iba pwede may kinalaman sa pagta-travel, yan, may growth regarding dyan, or yung connection mo with international, no? And some of you, pwedeng may mga ipapublish or may mga isasagawa ka or something that you created na pwedeng may makikinabang or may matututunan din yung iba. So I can see a lot of things na i-share mo, and at the same time may nakukuha ka out of that, no? And yeah, money is good kasi may growth and big change for you in the future. So, tell me about the person nakakonect mo. Yeah, I just noticed the nest of like a bird here, bird's nest dito sa puno na ito. So, yung bird's nest, hindi, yung mga ibon kasi hindi naman yan basta-basta, alam mo yun, pagpunta nila sa puno na doon ay tirahan nila, hindi. Alam mo yun, yung parang gagawa pa rin sila ng paraan to build their own nest doon sa pinakapuno na yun. So, the way I see this, in the future, of course, ito na, pwedeng dumating yung point sa buhay mo na ikaw ay nagsimula sa walang-wala, ganon, and nakapag-build ka ng nest, tapos natanggal, nasira because of bad weather, whatever. Yung bad weather na tinutukoy natin is like yung instances or situations sa buhay mo na problema, sabihin na natin ganon. And then, I feel like you will be creating another nest or another something na dito sa nest na ito, alam mo na kung ano yung mas matibay, alam mo na yung mas makakatulong lalo sa'yo, and nandun pa, some of you may mga learnings ka pang ginagawa, ano kaya yung mas makakapagpatibay pa lalo dito. And because of this, like soon enough, mai-experience mo na rin yung egg. Alam mo yung tinutukoy, of course, after the nest is the egg na, diba? So, mararanasan mo rin yan. Pag natapos mo or na-build mo na yung pinaka-foundation, yung pinaka-nest mo. And, hindi ako nagbabasa na reversal, guys, but I just feel the energy of reversal here with the Two of Cups in reverse. Clarify this, please. What's with the Two of Cups in reverse? Five of Wands. Ayan. Ace of Wands. Eight of Coins. And the Six of Coins. One more card, please. What's with the Six of Coins? The Devil. And one more card. What's with the Five of Wands? Six of Cups. Isa pa po. The Five of Coins. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Seven of Coins. Nakakita tayo ng pag-aaway dito with regards sa side ng person na ito. Like, I don't know kung, some of you wala kang kinalaman doon kasi you are busy with regards to your own life. Tapos itong person na ito, there's a lot of narcissistic energy with the devil. So, nagkakaroon siya ng mga problema. Six of Coins, I feel like may mga dapat siyang ayusin. But, hindi siya nakikita natin naayos. With the Eight of Coins, mas lalong gumugulo, mas lalong nagkakaroon ng problema, nagkakaroon ng pag-aaway. With the Ace of Wands, I can see a lot of fire here. So, pwedeng yung person may maipit sa isang sitwasyon wherein, I can see money problems, or kung hindi yung money problems, situation, relationship sa mga tao sa paligid niya. And with the Six of Cups, and the Seven of Cups, lalo pang nakakapagpaigting dito na if you're dealing with someone na nasa isang connection, isang relationship, lalo pang nakakapagpaigting na parang ayaw niya na tong connection or yung relationship na to is because this person is thinking of you. This person is thinking na mas better ang relationship or I feel like mas magiging masaya ako sa'yo. Parang ganon. And this is your person thinking about you. Seven of Cups is someone na parang nagde-daydream and thinking about, the impossible. Yet, dahil doon, na dito siya nakafocus, mas lalong hindi niya maayos yung problem sa reality niya, And in reality, hindi okay ang mga relationships niya. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.